Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Aruse indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator uses the Bollinger Bands indicator, a popular tool in technical analysis, to visually display trailing stop lines for buy and sell trades directly on the trading chart. In this way, when we see the green line appearing on the chart, it clearly indicates that the trend is upward, and we can confidently use this line as the stop loss for our trades. As this line gradually moves up, we can also move our stop loss higher as well, step by step. And when we see the orange line, it indicates
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
that the trend is downward, and we can use this line as the stop loss for our trades. As this line moves down, we can lower our stop loss accordingly. Also, at the beginning of a trend, you can see that it gives us a buy signal here and a sell signal here, which we can use to enter a trade. Let's go over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the period of the Bollinger Bands indicator, which we can adjust. And the next option is the deviation of the Bollinger Bands indicator. The higher we set the period, the smoother the line becomes, and the higher we set the deviation, the greater the distance between the bands and the candles. The next option, if it is true, will display these buy and sell signals, and if it is false, it will not display them. The next option, if set to true, displays these lines, and if set to false, it does not show the lines. The following option is the number of candles in the chart's history over which the calculations are performed. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.